Huzurlarınıza davet ediyorum efendim.
Tekbir! Tekbir! Tekbir! Tam mı bu? Esselamu aleyküm. Kâle aleyhissalâtu vesselâm. Zeyyinû a'yâdekum bit tekbir. Bugün bizim bayram günümüzdür. 1 Muharrem 14-15. Hicret yılı şerefle girmiştir. Bugün bayram günümüz olduğundan tekbir ile bugünü sinetlememiz lazımdır. Ayağa kalkın. Ve Osmanlı'nın tekbirini getirin. İlk tekbir değil, Allahu Ekber demeyle olmaz. Allahu Ekber, Allahu Ekber. La ilahe illallah, Allahu Ekber. Allahu Ekber, la ilahe illallah. Allah. Bugünlere vesile olan iki cihan serverine salatü selam olsun.
Allahu Ekber, Allahu Ekber. La ilahe illallah, Allahu Ekber. Allahu Ekber ve lillahil hamd. Allahu Ekber, Allahu Ekber. La ilahe illallah, Allahu Ekber. Allahu Ekber ve lillahil hamd. Allahu Ekber, Allahu Ekber. La ilahe illallah, Allahu Ekber. Allahu Ekber ve lillahil hamd.
illallah Muhammedur Resulullah aleyhi salatullah la ilahe illallah Muhammedur Resulullah aleyhi salatullah la ilahe illallah Muhammedur Habibullah aleyhi salatullah la ilahe illallah Muhammedur Habibullah aleyhi salatullah la ilahe illallah Muhammedur Habibullah.
Viewers would like to gain a knowledge from you, and let me start by asking you very simple questions about the order or the tariqah or your way of making Islam familiar to this world.
Yes. And I am asking a question to Doctor. What was the missions of whole prophets?
to teach them about knowledge of God and worship of one God, I think, in my basic...
Yes. The missions of whole prophets was to call people to their Lord's worshipping, to believe in Him, and to give their high respect for their Lord Almighty Allah, and worshipping and servanthood. And beginning from first man as first prophet, Sayyidina Adam, he was calling people to declare the existence and the unity and to be a witness for the existence and the unity of Allah Almighty. And it was a long way from Sayyidina Adam up to the last prophet, the seal of prophets, Sayyidina Muhammad, peace be upon him. And according the prophets' information, the number of prophets, they were 124,000 prophets. And we are believing in all of them that everyone, they were best ones through their times, and all of them clean and pure soul people,
Sure.
connecting to heavenly beings, taking revelations from heavens and guiding people unto their Lord Almighty Allah.
So they had all of them had the same message, is what you are saying.
Mainly their messages on 2 points. One, to declare the existence and the unity of Allah Almighty, and then to call them for servanthood to their Lord. And this message just passed through whole prophets up to the last one, the seal of prophets,
Prophet Muhammad.
Muhammad, Sayyidina Muhammad, peace be upon him. And prophecy, it was like a new moon at the beginning with Sayyidina Adam, and then coming to be much more perfect, becoming more perfect, and reaching with the seal of prophets, and going to be a full moon. Therefore, the prophecy or the seal of prophets, Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, was for whole mankind forever. Because nothing after full moon, someone may expect a perfection.
Correct.
İnsanoğlu sırrıyla doludur olan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sır Besmele-i Şerife'nin içindedir. Besmele-i Şerife'ye dikkat edelim. Kuvvet orada, sır oradadır. Allah'a şükürler olsun. Merhaba. Ey yavrumun Şah-ı Merdan. Allah Celle ve Ala gökyüzünden yeryüzüne sevdiği ruhaniyetlerden gönderiyor. Alabilen insana ne mutlu. Diyelim Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah sıhhat ve afiyetten Habibi hürmetine ümmetlerine veriyor. Bize de nasip olsun. Hekimle değil bu iş. İlaçla da değil bu iş. Bu ilahi sırdır. Cenab-ı Hak'tan lütuftur. Değilim Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sır bu besmele-i şerifin içindedir. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. La yadurru ma'asmi şey'un fil ardı ve la fis sema. Ve huves semî'ul alim. Ey Rabbimiz! O Habibi Kibriya hürmeti için bize kuvvet ver. Senin emrine fazil için.